and we are heading into the north Vendée and to a place called the Barre-De-Monts. This will be our last stop along the Atlantic coast before we start heading north towards the ferry to go home. Boo! So just one more stop along this part of the coast. We're almost there. Right. And this is the campsite that we are staying on and that we've been on for the last night or so. And it is the Grand Corseau camping. There's a little map of the campsite. At La Barre-De-Monts on the Atlantic coast. And this campsite also is kind of on close down mode. They close in a couple of days, end of season. But it's a lovely campsite actually. That's the reception. Just there. Very helpful. Spoke English, no problems booking in at all. Lots of bikes to hire. And it's barriered parking, and it's actually number plate recognition, which is pretty cool. You don't need to have a card or anything to get in, or a code. And it's in these lovely pine trees. So basically you can pick your pitch, and you can have a shady pitch, you can have a sunny pitch. We've got an in-betweeny pitch this time because a bit of sunshine at this time of year is actually quite nice, so Bernie can't moan too much. The pitches are all of a good size, they're all largish, with electricity and water nearby. There are lots of things on the site when it's open. It has a swimming pool and a frittery and a snack bar, but none of those are in operation at this point. They're all closed. Bowls courts, children's play areas, basketball courts, ping pong, all that kind of stuff. They do have mobile homes on this site, so if you don't have a camper van or a caravan, you can come and rent a mobile home. This is the frittery area. It's all closed up now at this time of year. And this is the swimming pool area. I'll just give you a quick look. Unfortunately it closed on the 20th of September, which is a bit of a shame. There we go. That's a nice size swimming pool and a little kiddies pool. And this is one of the sanitary blocks that's open at the moment. They're very standard sanitary blocks. No major bells or whistles, but they've got everything that you need. So they've got washing up sinks. Just there. That's a sink for rinsing off shellfish. You've got shellfish. They have washers and dryers, paid if you need them. They also do have scrubbing clothes sinks, but they're in another block. And it is shared shower facilities and sink facilities. Here's the sinks. Sinks. Ooh, bit dark. There's a baby sink area as well. Ooh, just had a workout, looking a bit rough. Oh, free hairdryer. We like free hairdryers. And here are the showers. They're your pretty standard shower block showers, really. Push button. They are not heat adjustable, so they're on the warm side. I wouldn't say hot, but warm, which I think is fair. But they're perfectly clean and perfectly serviceable. Lovely. And then on the other side of the block is the loos. Also shared. And they do have toilet seats, but they don't have toilet paper, so bring your own. And again, pretty well cleaned. They have a large disabled toilet And they have men's urinals, lovely. And there's also a chemical disposal area for your loo, but that's in the other block that way, which is fine. And here we are on our pitch. Nice big pitch. Electricity at the back, water just there. Oh, sun coming out. And this campsite is actually affiliated, so at this time of year, with electricity and everything, and the very close proximity to the beach, which is always lovely, it is costing us, I do believe, €14 a night, which is absolutely bonkers, but there you are. I think it's because most of the facilities on the campsite are closed, which is fine by us. We don't need all the bells and whistles. We're quite happy with our pitch and a loo. Well, the sun is out, so we are going to go and find the beach and have our probable final walk along the Atlantic coast. Let's go. So literally just heading out the back of the campsite here, and there's a little path here that heads to the beach. Bit through the woods by the looks of it. That's fine. Right, which way, Bernard? That way? Well, that way. I think it might be that way. Must be this way then. Yep, I can hear the sea. Well, that literally is just like 2 minutes walk away from the campsite, so that's pretty good. Plage de la Bergère. That's where we are. The Barre-De-Monts, that's the island that we're just under. And here we are. Vous êtes ici. Ah, so we'll go for a little walk along the beach. Bit of information about the dunes. And this will be our last walk on one of the Atlantic coast beaches for this trip, of which we've seen quite a few now, haven't we? We've had a little bit of an Atlantic coast tour this year, but we've done pretty good for the weather. It is the last day of September today. It's September the 30th. And we're still walking in our shorts, so that'll do me. Woo! Listen to those Atlantic waves. Oh no, the sun's gone behind a cloud. We need to go that way. The sun's that way. That's a huge beach. And as per usual, pretty much nobody on it. Despite the sun being out. It's not too windy today either, it's not bad at all. Not bad, Bernie. Last day of September. What do you reckon? Yeah, thumbs up. Good. I think this beach is definitely deserving of the final Atlantic Coast Beach Twirl. You ready? Here we go! It's got to be done! Remind me again, why are we going home?
Because we've got an house.
Yeah. Big thumbs up for this French trip. It's been pretty awesome. So So there we are, a lovely walk on a lovely beach in the glorious end of September sunshine. It's a shame to be leaving, really. Ah well, it's to be here next year.
Ferry's booked now.
Yeah, ferry's booked.
Just booked the ferry.
We've just booked it back. We made a date decision and we've done it. Boo. Shall we head back to the van, Bernie?
Yeah.
Shall we head back and have some lunch?
That's it.
Yes.
Some bread.
Yeah.
I can't believe you didn't hire me a t-shirt.
Who irons their t-shirts on holiday? No.